Witherspoon.
Hold on, I can make this last for a while.
And the other star of the film, Mr. Robert Pattinson.
Let's have a look at you.
I bet it's Johnny Cash.
No, I'm Johnny Cash.
Well, we just can't thank you enough for showing up tonight. Are you guys excited to see the movie? Are you excited to see the elephant? Are you excited to see me? Nobody's excited to see him, right? Well, we just want to tell you we had a wonderful time making the movie, and we really hope you enjoy it. We put a lot of hard work into it, and a lot of time and effort and energy, and it just means a lot to us that you showed up tonight, and that you're also excited to be here. So, and we would like to hear all your comments, so put them on the card and put them in the box in the back. Yeah, okay? We'll read all of them personally. Yes, we will. Okay, enjoy the film.